Welcome WBP Stars. We're here at restaurant Gaa in Bangkok. I'm gonna prepare a spicy sourdough duck donut. So our batter for this donut is leavened very gently with a 3-year-old sourdough. We started ourselves here. And we season the batter with a little bit of cumin powder, chilies, and black salt. We're gonna let this cook very gently for about 3 or 4 minutes and rotate it so the color is very beautiful all the way around, using a takoyaki machine. Here we're just going to wait for some color so it gets the nice golden brown, and then serve it with a little bit of chili paste on top. There we have it, a sourdough duck donut. Enjoy.